I've been doing video because I know it's been important for a couple years, but it sucked. It didn't get anything, guys, because I didn't know what I was doing. I just threw stuff out there, right? So I threw stuff out there that nobody cared about. I made topics that nobody cared about. I didn't have hooks, okay, because I didn't know how important it was for a hook.
So how would you, back in the day, before you learned about hooks, how would you start your video off?
Hi, I'm Kristin Stampini.
Yeah, hi, I'm Kristin Stampini with Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty. Right. Nobody cares about that, guys, right? They just don't. So now, I don't even
Well, they already know who you are. They're on your Instagram account. They're on your Facebook account. Like, why are you...
That's how we've been trained as realtors to start off all of our advertising. Hi, this is my name. I'm a sales agent for my company. I have 20 years of experience, and they're already gone.
They are. So we figured out, how long do you think the average person before they're going to scroll off your page?
Off your video.
2 to 3 seconds. So if you don't catch them in that 2 to 3 seconds, you're done, right? So the hook is number one. You've got to make sure. Now, what is a hook? And this is where we get the people, you know, of course people are shy. You know, they don't want to. They don't like the way that they look necessarily, but you know I've lost a lot of weight, and I used to do it even when I was really fat. And then they don't like the way they sound. That does come up. But more so, what we're finding, it's the topics. It's what do I do?
It's analysis
How do
by
I do
paralysis. It's they analyze it too much, and so they become to the point where they don't do anything.
Yep.
And whereas if you do this recording videos right, you just talk and you have your points, you want to say it. So we do it a little differently. We don't recommend doing it my way. We recommend doing it Kristin's way. She has bullet points. Me, I just literally put the camera, and I know what I'm going to talk about, and then I talk, like I'll say it a few times, and from there. So, but that's the key thing, is just doing it.